Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how to name range. So I have a sample dump here. So we're going to quickly name a range for this dump. So first we need to go to data, and then you can see the option called named ranges. Click on it, and then you see a little box here, a plus symbol. You need to click add range, and then by default it says named range 1. So you need to change that so that you remember in the future. So I'm going to give this table name as sales table, and then I'm going to select the range. So since by default it is saying J9, but I'm not going to give that, so I'm going to give the entire sales of all the months, which is F8 to H10. You can see in the top left corner of your screen. Copy it and paste after the by default range and repaste this. Now you can see the selected range is pasted here. Click on done and make sure you do not add space. Let's say sales table, so it won't work. So always if you're adding two words, you should not make a space. You should avoid space and then click on done. So without space it works. Now you can cancel it, close it. Now we're going to use simple formula here so that you can understand how the name range works. Equals to sum. So let's say I want to calculate all the month sales. I'm going to use sales table. So once you start typing sale, you can see the drop down is already mentioning about sales table. Just click on it and it will select, and then close the parenthesis, and then here is your number. So using this, you don't need to remember, you don't need to select the ranges, you just need to type sales table and then automatically it gives you the number. Similarly, you can do for Jan, Feb, March based on your requirement. So this is how named range works. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.